Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. The average real estate agent only makes $32,000 a year. Whew. The average talented realtor makes in excess of $150,000 a year. If you are not where you need to be in your real estate business, you need to keep checking us out. Hello, my name is Michael Coburn. I'm the broker here for REMAX Town & Country, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Now, we put this page together so you'd have a place to come get some contract tips and advice and opinion, also to see what kind of training classes that we provide our agents here at our office. Now, you may be an agent that's looking for a new broker or a new office, or you may not be, and that's fine too. Maybe you're just looking for some training and ideas on things to help build your business, and that's great too. We're always adding a lot of great new content here, so make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you can get future notifications. And then, for my self-esteem, I need you to please click the like button. I mean, you need to do your part for my self-esteem, right? For my mental health. Anyways, so we have a lot of agent testimonials of agents that are currently working in this office that are telling you the goods and the bads and the uglies about working for REMAX Town & Country. So check out some of those videos, and please feel free to contact us. If you are looking for a new broker, great. If you're not, welcome to the page. Check us out. See what you think. Maybe you get some great business building tips, and that's awesome. But if you are looking for a new place to call home, please reach out to us at 972-390-0000 or send us an email at joinme@rmxtc.com. And let's set up a confidential interview and get together and see if we have the makings of a win-win working relationship. That's what we're all about. Okay, thanks for stopping in. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye-bye.